Amid tariff war between US and rest of the world, a news is coming from the America that JD Vance is visiting India. And this shows that there is always a place, there is always a time for negotiation. Hello and welcome to the in-news series of Drishti IAS. I am Ritu and today's session is about JD Vance's visit to India, and in this session we are going to highlight few important points, that who is JD Vance and he is visiting to India, what are the places he is going to visit, what are the topics he is going to discuss, and what kind of significance we can analyze through his visit. So this session is important for your GS2 perspective. So let's move towards the news part. So first of all, we are going to discuss the news. So in the news, as you already know, that JD Vance is visiting India. So who is JD Vance? So JD Vance is USA Vice President. So he has visited India and currently he is in his India trip 21st of April to 24th of April, and along with his family and children he visited here, and he is about to visit many places. He is about to discuss various issues related to the trade negotiation, related to the student visas, related to the critical mineral energy. So we are going to talk about that. This is the news that JD Vance visit to India, and his visit is significant because JD Vance is visiting in a time when there is an issue of reciprocal tariff, and India has been also given 26% tariff by the USA. So we'll also discuss onto that. So coming to the discussion on ISGS Foundation course. So as you already know that ISGS Foundation course is available in both the modes, Hindi medium and English medium, also offline and online. So for offline we have this Drishti IAS Noida. So this is our address, C171/2 Block A, Sector 15, Noida, and this is for the ISGS Foundation Prelims plus Mains course offline batch. These are the details of the batches. So if you want to know more information, you can call on to this number 87501 87501. Similarly, we have this course in online medium which is available on Drishti Learning app. So here in this particular course we have upgraded few features. These are the AI backed features. One feature is that AI summary. So on the basis of your video content, they are going to provide you AI summary, and here it will be very much helpful for your preparation because it will provide you in a quick revision. Also we have this ask me a question features. Suppose that while reading, if you get any kind of confusion, so you can ask a question and you can resolve your doubt. We have also automatically generated AI quiz. So while studying, if you want to test your knowledge also, you can also check out there. So these are the features of the offline and online mode. Kindly check that. Now we are going to discuss onto the objective and agenda. So what could be the objective and agenda of his visit? So key agenda is bilateral trade agreement, because this is the need of an hour because of the tariff war which is happening in and around the world. Then discussions on tariff related concerns following the Trump administration's recent tariff regime, defense cooperation and potential purchase of the US defense equipment, also launch of the trust initiative. And what is this trust initiative is about? So this is a revamped version of ICAT. This is basically for the critical minerals. So here they are going to process, here they are going to analyze the situation of the critical minerals in order to counter the China's influencing power into this arena. Now we'll discuss about the trade relation and tariff. So India US trade relation is booming, and here we can see that it has crossed around $190 billion with a shared goal to reach $500 billion. And Vance's visit follows the temporary pause on the US tariff targeting India. So there is a target of the 90 days here. So this is a temporary pause. The US is reportedly pushing India to lower tariffs further and expand market access, and especially in agriculture and dairy. Because of that, there are so many protests is also happening. So we'll discuss onto that. Then if we'll talk about the domestic backlash and protests, so yes, we have one protest from All India Kisan Sabha, and they are protesting against the proposed trade deal, fearing adverse effect on Indian farmers, particularly in the dairy sector. So as USA is forcing that you need to lower down your subsidies, and they are saying that it will have an impact on the farm workers. Then visa and immigration concerns are there because H1B visa is issued by the USA to the Indian professional and students, and here we can see that Congress has also raised this voice that most of the students got cancelled their visa. So this is a matter of concern, and why there are less number of visas issued this time, why there is so much revocation of the visa. So we have to also work on to the diaspora, we have to also work on to the cultural arena in which Indian citizens migrate to the US. So this is also one of the thing. Then we'll discuss about the personal and cultural visit. So on his 4-day visit, he is also going to visit few significant places of India which are historically important. So he is going to visit the Akshardham temple in Delhi. Then Jaipur also, as you already know that Jaipur is a historical place and it has a lots of big places. So he is about to visit the Amer Fort and Rambagh Palace. Then Taj Mahal, everyone knows the significance and importance of the Taj Mahal. Then he is also going to visit the Taj Mahal, and also Silpgram, tour of Silpgram showcasing the Indian handicrafts. So this shows the symbolic representation of India, and it will strengthen the cultural bind between and cultural ties between India and the USA, and it will also show that how Indian cultures are rich. Then what is the geopolitical significance of this whole discussion? So geopolitical significance of this whole discussion is that we have to look for the timing here, and this is the timing in which everyone is worried about the tariff, what you can say, smacked by the USA. So in this situation, it is very important to have a trade negotiation. If we can talk, if we can dialogue, so that's why geopolitical significance is there. Also, it will give message to the China that USA along with the other nation, they have the capability to counter its influence, and it will also shows the Indo-Pacific strength throughout the world. So these are the geopolitical significance we can analyze from this whole visit. Now we'll discuss the practice question for prelims. Consider the following statement regarding the trust initiative launched during the visit of US Vice President and JD Vance to India in 2025. Trust stands for Transforming Relationship Utilizing Strategic Technology. It replaces the earlier ICAT initiative of Critical and Emerging Technology. It focuses primarily on student visa reform and cultural exchanges. Which of the statement given above is are correct? 1 and 2 only, 1 and 3 only, 2 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3. So one trust initiative, we have this when PM Modi visited also. So there can be a slight difference. So you can check the difference and then you can answer. So I hope you like this session. If you have any queries related to this session, kindly ask into the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day. Also, what are the key points of this whole particular discussion? The key point of this whole particular discussion is geopolitical significance, Indo-Pacific region, tariff policies, trade negotiation, trust initiative. So you have to look on to all these points. Thank you. Have a nice day.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.